Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some incredibly profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand, and they all belong to one specific sub niche, which is the medical niche. Now, you could utilize these keywords for either the title, the subtitle, or for the 7 keyword slots. All of the keywords belong to the low content book niche, and it's not anything medium content or high content, which is makes it incredibly easy for you to create books in this keyword. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, hello, I'm Nora, and I do daily videos talking about carefully researched Amazon KDP profitable keywords for you to have to use in your books, in your title and subtitle and 7 keyword slots. If you are interested in videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily content. There will also be 2 free trials for Creative Fabrica, 30-day free trial as well as 30-day free trial for Canva Pro. Take advantage of these wonderful free trials. You could always cancel before the free trial ends if it's not something for you, and you will not lose a cent. Let's get started with our first keyword for the day. Then again, it has to do with the low content and medical niche, and it's quite profitable as well. Our first keyword is check off medication logbook. Amazing results, as you can tell right here, super low, 3, and a bestseller rank under 100,000, which is averaging 55,472, average reviews 230, average price $7.98, and we have a really strong and solid green keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scat Pro, the highest on the scale that Amazon Scat Pro has to offer for the keyword niche score. Now, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to ignore the number 30 given by Amazon Scat Pro, given by self-publishing titans, because it contradicts the data that we have right here. First of all, total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 100,000, good amount of reviews for the total results being good average price as well. Scrolling down, we are looking at least 2 to 3 books on the first page with a bestseller rank under 100,000. We've just found our first one right over here, and we've found a couple of ones. Now, as you can tell, most of them are independently published, but through this one, for example, beautiful medication logbook, it has a bestseller rank of 24,562 in office products, and also in record books category number 55 as the bestseller rank. So amazing keyword, get onto it. There's going to be a couple of really good free interiors available on Creative Fabrica for check off medical logbook that I'm going to link in the description box below for you to take advantage of today. Now, what I do with these interiors is I just upload them as a PDF to Canva, and then I make some small little edits, add in a cover, of course, add in a this book belongs to, adding the introduction page, adding the how to use page with a screenshot of one of the interiors as a logbook already filled up to show them how it's done, and just make it unique, make it special, make it valuable as well. And that's all what you need to do, just make some little edits to it. Now, let's have a look at the second keyword for the day, and our second keyword is daily small capacity medication organizer. Now, I do understand that this keyword specifically is not a low content keyword. It's actually about medication organizer, but this is a lovely opportunity to take advantage of the profitability metrics of this keyword, considering that it relates to medication, and utilize it in the 7 keyword slots for anything related to a medication notebook, medication logbook, a workbook, for example, a track and monitor book. You can utilize this wonderful keyword in your 7 keyword slots. Don't miss out. First of all, let's break down the results. We've got a really strong and solid keyword niche score of number 80 by self-publishing titans Chrome extension. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at 3,865, which is below 5,000. Average reviews are wonderfully sitting at an average of 5,334. We've got the bestseller rank is below 300,000 and of course below 100,000, which is just the way we like it, and it is averaging 23,480. We've got the average price $11.13. Amazon Scat Pro has given us a keyword niche score of number 6, but I feel like personally number 80 fits more of the data metrics that are given by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension. So utilize this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots for anything medication related. Let's dive into our third keyword for the day, which is medication journal spiral logbook. Medication journal spiral logbook. Amazing keyword with great potential. As you can tell here, total results under 1,000, and they're sitting at a beautiful 59 average bestseller rank, sitting below 100,000, and it is currently averaging 36,257, average reviews 262, and average price is $8.99. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 30 given by Self-Publishing Titans as a score because it contradicts the data that we have right here, and the niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro beautifully represents the strength of today's keyword, giving a number 7, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche, beautiful keyword, most suitable for either the title or the subtitle, but then again up to you. Another strategy that you can utilize today's keywords is you could go ahead and check in your portfolio, Amazon KDP portfolio, see if you have anything medication or medical logbook style, and then you could be able to add in this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. And this is a strategy that I follow time and time again. Strategy that I use time and time again that has proven to be amazing for helping to lift pause sale books. So let's dive into our fourth keyword for the day, and it is medication and meal journal logbook. Medication and meal journal logbook has amazing results and it's best to be used for the 7 keyword slots. Now it has a keyword niche score of 59 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and also Amazon Scout Pro seems to agree with Self-Publishing Titans in terms of the keyword niche score, and they've given us a number 6, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. The total results are below 1,000, and they're sitting at 216. Average bestseller rank is slightly on the higher side, which makes this a wonderful keyword for the 7 keyword slots because there is still potential, and the average bestseller rank is 544,338. Now, I usually like my bestseller rank to be anywhere between 300 to 400,000, nothing lower for the title or subtitle keywords, but for this keyword there is potential and you could use it as part of the 7 keyword slots. And as you can tell here, wonderful average reviews of 238 and average price of $7. Scrolling down, we have a couple of books as well that are selling quite well, as you can see, and also a couple of books with a bestseller rank under 100,000 as well. This one sits at 38,000. Next up, we've got also great reviews as well for a couple of really good independently published books, and a couple of authors on the first page are utilizing the exact same strategy, which is utilizing this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots rather than for the title or for the subtitle. We've come towards the end of our video. We've shared 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the medical low content niche. Take care and have a great day. I'll see you next time.